Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Wimaxit 14-inch Full HD touchscreen IPS portable monitor. Now this is a brand new offering from Wimaxit, which is also known as Andy Cine. They sent it over for review. 2 Type-C ports on board, 3.2, so power delivery is on board. You can use a smartphone essentially. It doesn't have to just be for a laptop or a tablet. 400 nits of brightness. I also saw a mention here of a smart cover. We'll see what that actually entails. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get this thing out of the box and see what this brand new panel has to offer. It retails for a little under 200 US dollars. I'll include a link in the description for those of you that are curious. And I expect good things. You know, the other Wimaxit that I covered in the past was a solid product. This one has to just be an improvement. So I like that they went down to the 14-inch size. It's a recognition that it's good to have options and not everyone's looking for the 15.6. And then I'm curious about this smart cover. So here we've got the actual monitor itself, which I have to say is fairly thick. It kind of reminds me already, just feeling it, of a tablet, kind of like the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Granted, of course, this is a larger screen than that. And let's just take a quick look at this. So a rubber case that is around it. I would say that's a pre-installed screen protector, but it is not, of course. That is just plastic, which will peel off. And this is, you know, fairly interesting. It's very different from their previous generation. I'm wondering if this is all completely magnetic. It is, so it comes off. Right there, you can see we've got, if I can pull focus here, the Type-C ports. We have a HDMI port as well as a micro USB port. Speakers on this on both sides. And then we have the power button menu. Well, I'm assuming that's power. Yep, it is. The menu selection dial, toggle and select, and a microphone headphone jack, or just, excuse me, just a headphone jack right there. No combo, no reason for there to be a combo. So this is a brand new offering, just launched. Again, I'm not sure what the smart cover is all about. I mean, in the past, I think one of the areas that Wimaxit needed to improve was in the cover department, so I like that this comes off. It'll be interesting to see how well this performs, what the quality is like, especially since I've been going through a lot of monitors lately. It does come with a power brick right here, which of course is going to be driven by a Type A to Type C cable, which I imagine is right here. And yes, we've got both. So we have a Type-C to Type-C, we have a Type-C to Type-A, and then last but not least, the HDMI cable. So, you know, Andy Cine making sure to give you everything you need to fully leverage this. Now, this, to my knowledge, does not support pen input, so while I would tell you that this would be something you could compare to the Lenovo that I recently got for review, this is really more of a portable monitor and happens to be touchscreen. From what I've read online, supposedly color accurate, but it, you know, build quality feels robust. You already see or saw what the front looks like. There's the back, so feels like a. I'm not sure if this is an aluminum housing. It feels like it, and that's pretty much it. Again, if color accuracy is where I'm hoping it will be, and this is a lower powered version. It's showing 12 watts as the power consumption, but if I can run this from a smartphone, this is going to be very valuable to those of you who really don't want to buy a tablet, don't need a tablet because you have a flagship smartphone like a Note 20, a Note 10 Ultra, the Note 20 Ultra, of course, but Note 20 included as well, and you want to just fire up DeX on a panel like this and be able to take it everywhere instead of buying a dedicated tablet. This might be a very good solution. So just keep an eye out for updates because I will be sharing them and we will see how this performs overall. And I'll likely compare it to the other monitors because I've got a lot of portable displays on hand. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.